I'm here at AWFS and we're at the belt sander races. Here at FDM and Cabinet Maker magazine, we actually have our own entry and we're going to be interviewing Will and Lee about their belt sander. Will, tell us a little bit about our entry.
Our entry is based on a Porter Cable compact belt sander, and we're in the stock division, so we haven't done any technical modifications to the works of the sander. We've added a T-bar up front to sort of widen the track straight, and a little wheelie bar in the back so that it won't torque up too much. We have a 49 Ford Woody on the side and surfboards representing FDM and Cabinet Maker. And we have a Dolphin off the front. And then, of course, the most important factor, we have the dancing hula girl. And this is a special dancing hula girl. You can tell she's a woodworker. If you can zoom in on her fingers, you'll find she's missing a couple.
Well, best of luck.
Thanks a lot. We're ready to roll.
All right.
Which I know is more cost. It's more free t-shirt.